Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on today's video. This is a very simple DIY hair moisturizer that can help you grow your hair much faster, thicker, and fuller. If you're struggling growing your hair, you've tried so many things, but nothing seemed to work for you, you need to give this a try. So we're going to use Moringa powder. Moringa is very powerful when it comes to hair growth. It can stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. Moringa can also prevent hair breakage. So if you are someone experiencing hair breakage, hair thinning, hair loss, or any kind of hair shedding, Moringa powder can stop it. You just have to know the right way to use it. I'm also going to use a carrier oil. Today, I'm going to use coconut oil. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so what I did was I added about a tablespoon of my moringa powder and I added about 3 to 4 tablespoons of my coconut oil. I used the double boiler method to infuse the oil with the moringa powder. This is going to extract all the nutrients that we need from the moringa powder. So after everything has been infused using the double boiler method, you are going to use a paper towel, a cheesecloth, or anything with tiny holes to strain the oil. You don't want any moringa powder in this recipe, so make sure you do a good job when it comes to straining it. Look at how beautiful this oil is looking. Nice and thick, and is great for hair growth. So this is petroleum jelly, or you can use the brand VASELINE. This is very great for hair care. A lot of people use petroleum jelly on their skin. Little did they know this can also help moisturize your hair. You just have to know the right way to use petroleum jelly or VASELINE to moisturize your hair. In this recipe, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This is shea butter. Shea butter is great for moisturizing your hair. When you add shea butter to your hair, it keeps it moisturized, it prevents hair breakage, and also strengthens your hair strands. If you add shea butter to petroleum jelly, it moisturizes your hair and keep it moisturized for a very long time. If you want to grow your hair faster, the key is to prevent your hair from breakage. You don't want to lose the hair you already have on your head. So, to prevent your hair strand from breaking or from thinning, you need a very good hair moisturizer to keep it moisturized for a long time so it doesn't dry out and let your hair fall. This hair growth recipe is one that will keep your hair really moisturized, protect your hair strands, and prevent them from breakage. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So I measured about half a tablespoon of my petroleum jelly and I added about 2 tablespoons of my shea butter and melted them together. After that, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of my moringa oil. I gave it a stir and this is what we are having now. This is castor oil. Castor oil can condition your hair and also prevent hair breakage. You don't need much. With this quantity of this recipe, I added about half a tablespoon of my castor oil. It is a very thicker oil that can condition your hair and also prevent hair breakage. You can also add any essential oil of your choice. This is a collection of my essential oils. There are a lot of essential oils out there: tea tree oil, rosemary essential oil, just to name a few. I added about 6 drops of my essential oil to this recipe. Then after that, I'm going to give everything a good stir. At this point, I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator until it solidifies. Look at how beautiful this hair moisturizer is looking. And it smells amazing. It applies smoothly onto the hair strands. You are going to use this as you would use any hair moisturizer. You're going to use this on your wash days. After you've washed your hair, apply this as your final hair moisturizer. Put your hair in a protective hairstyle to seal in the moisture. You can also use this on a regular day, at least 4 times in a week. Massage it onto your scalp, onto your hair strands. This will treat your scalp, help improve blood flow to your scalp because of the moringa powder, and it is also going to keep your hair moisturized and leave it moisturized for a long time. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home.